Welcome to this breathtaking olive farm, nestled in the heart of nature. Let's take a bird's-eye view and explore the beauty of this serene landscape. Notice the intricate patterns created by the rows of olive trees, stretching as far as the eye can see. The gentle rustle of leaves in the breeze adds to the tranquil ambience. As we soar above, the rustic pathways invite us to take a stroll through this picturesque landscape. The scent of olives and earth fills the air, grounding us in nature's splendor. Surrounded by majestic hills and a brilliant blue sky, this olive farm embodies the essence of rural beauty. Each tree tells a story, its gnarled trunk and branches a testament to the farm's rich history and dedication to sustainable farming practices. This olive farm is a haven of peace and productivity, where tradition meets innovation. Join us in appreciating the beauty of this agrarian gem,